Hi guys, I just bought this sewing machine. I'm opening it up. It's a Brother XR3774. I'm going to unbox it for you. So hang with me. This is what the top looks like. Extra little attachments for different things. Feet, buttonhole maker, instructions manual, hardcover. Well, semi-hard. It's kind of flexible. You see like that? It's just kind of flexible. Let's see what this is. A little extended table. That's pretty cool. Styrofoam. Sewing machine, styrofoam, box with styrofoam still on. It's an empty box. And that's it for this inside that box. Now, we got a pressure fit, which is awesome. I'm old school. I'm used to a pressure fit. Oh, look, it's got a walking fit with it. And a free motion quilting fit. Packaged pretty good. It's a pretty little machine. Lower quick reference guide. Tape to hold the bobbin in place. Or the cover in place. Slides over. And that was just a little thing to help keep the pressure fit in place. And this is just a cover. maybe you don't want to use your larger tray or platform or, oh, I don't know what this table thing, whatever. But it's pretty. It's a pretty little machine. Let's see how it runs. Get this stuff out of the way. Plug her. And I know some of you are probably wondering what I'm doing with another machine. And I actually bought this for a friend of mine. And she's been working with a machine that I gave her that I was frustrated with 30 years ago, 40 years ago really. And I want her to enjoy sewing and not be frustrated. So I bought her a little gift. And I hope she can use it and enjoy it. I like a pressure fit. Look at it and see if she runs. Hello everybody. Got a power button. Got more tape on her. And it's the XR3774. This is pretty cool. And 3 bobbins. Comes with a bobbin. And the power is on. That's the reverse. I'm learning this too. And pretty cool. Let's see if we can wind her up. Find some thread. So I'm going to pause you guys while I go look for some scrap cloth and some thread. And we'll see if we can get her going. Okay guys, I have the sewing machine, the new brother. I've got my thread on there. And it shows a wiring diagram. So you go 1, 2, 3. Then you put you feed your thread. I always go through the hole up here on top. Put my thread through that hole right there on the bobbin. And this little button here, it's like a toggle switch. It just goes over. And then you have an X. The way it shows its thread, thread comes in, goes around the circle. I don't even think I'm showing. Okay. The thread comes out, goes underneath this, around this way, comes straight through, and attaches to your bobbin. Push your bobbin over, and we're going to wind our bobbin. We want to keep this thread out. The tail of the thread. Gotta keep it out. So I'm just going to hold on to the top. I'm going to let her spin. Watch it go. My babies are all excited because I got excited. I'm so sorry, everybody. Listen to them bark and go crazy. Okay. Now the bobbin's winding up. They don't like the sound of the machinery. It's keeping a good tension on the bobbin, so that's good. We want a good solid tension on that bobbin to be able to sew good. I don't know if it's got automatic cut off. It does, so that's real good. So we're going to go ahead and plop it back up. Plop it. See how I did that? Plop it back over. I'm going to take the bobbin off. I don't see a bobbin cutter on it. And I'm just going to clip the thread with the camera in my hand. Clip. That's done. Now, I'm going to take, but it's got the diagrams on there on how to thread it. And the same with your bobbin. So we're going to try to thread the bobbin. But I can't do it with a camera in my hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to angle you to where you can see it without going absolutely bonanza. I'm going to pause you while I try to tie you down. Okay, we got our bobbin. I'm going to take this bobbin cover off. It just slides off. And everything's a little stiff because it's still new. And the bobbin diagram says to make the thread come to the left. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to drop it in, make the thread come to the left. And that way's wrong, that way's correct. And then you're going to see that little sliver right there. That little opening right there. You want to take your thread and go through that. And then wind it around that little holder thread cutter. Easy peasy. And put your cover back on. Now we're going to try to thread the machine. See if I can get you up a little bit higher. I can't hold you and thread the machine, so bear with me. So I'm going to take this all apart. And it says 1, you go straight through, you crisscross. Oh, that's for the bobbin. So 1, the darker numbers in the circle are for bobbin. Just the numbers by themselves is for the threading. So you just come straight down. That was 2. This is 3. And if you look right there, you see a catcher. So you want to stay to the right of that and come over to the left. And it gets caught. So you come down. Uh-oh, I forgot to take some tape off. I didn't get the unpacking all the way done. So, I'm going to put you on pause while I try to unpack it. Okay. They had this little piece of cardboard in here, like that, to keep everything in place. And they had it taped up real good, which is a good thing. Packaging was really wonderful. So we went 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is coming down here, and there's a little sliver of a of a bar that goes down there. And this has got a needle threader on there. So we'll put our arm down and see if we can get our needle threader in there to work. Oops. And it worked. The needle got threaded. That's awesome. So now we'll come up. Well, I guess I better put my arm up. And you make sure your thread gets behind. Oh, and there's a thread cutter. Look at that. That's good. We like thread cutters. Okay, then we go down with our needle. We run the needle, our arm, our handle towards us. And we watch the thread come around, and we keep going, and we pull our bobbin thread up. You just pull it out. There you go. I always put my thread on the back side. Leave it hanging just a little bit. Now over here, I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to maybe over just a little bit. But over here, we have a stitch adjuster. You got numbers up here. You got a buttonhole maker. But we just want a plain straight stitch, which is number 2. And up here on the top, you have your stitch length. We're going to go to 2. Ooh. I got 0, F, 1, 1.5, 2. And I'm pretty sure those are millimeters or centimeters or something. And this is to adjust your width for when you're doing a zigzag. This one out here is for your tension. So it's a manual, it's not an automatic tensionizer. You have to adjust it yourself. So we've got some scrap cloth, and we're going to give her a test run. Right here. Just going to come down, put our needle down, and we'll see how she sews. We're going to go back stitch, front stitch, and you just sew. It's like driving a car. Mash the pedal, go fast. Take the gas, release the pressure on the pedal, and it slows down. And it's got a reverse, so you can set your stitch. That's just awesome. Okay, it doesn't have a thread cutter, but that's no problem. You just pull it out. You got a manual thread cutter here. There you go. And that's the back side. That's the pretty side. It's a beautiful stitch. I'm really happy with this machine. Let's try 3. Let's see how it looks. Do the same thing, just side by side, and see how it looks. Go forward, go backwards, go forward. Very nice machine. I am very pleased with it. I like all the things it's got with it too. So you just raise it a bit and use the thread cutter. And there you go. It's got a nice tension. It's got a beautiful stitch. I like 3. 3 is a pretty stitch. 2 is a pretty stitch. It's nice and tight. So I'm pleased with it. So we went through the process of threading machine, putting the bobbin in, winding the bobbin, And I think that covers the machine basics. I can take you off and let you see closer the other stitches. Nice little stitches. And I believe the higher the number, the looser the tension. The lower the number, the tighter the tension. So I always remember my mother keeping hers on like 2 or 3. But they had it on 4, so 4 must work really good. And it looked good as far as the stitches go. So that's the front side. With the back side, that's the front side. There's no puckering. I see no puckering. And that was with the number 2 and number 3 stitch length. So I'm very pleased with it. I think she can do some pretty bags and whatever she needs to do. And she likes selling things online. Gives her a little bit of income. She raises chickens, has vegetables, she makes soap. She does so much with so little, and I'm so proud of her. Talk to you guys later. Hope everybody enjoys their day. Bye.